Hi everyone, welcome to Be Different for Success. Today we'll be talking about why marketing is important for business. We're going to make a big, bold claim to start this video. Marketing has the power to make or break your business. You don't just need marketing, however. To run a successful business in this crazy modern era, you need to execute your marketing strategy and intelligently. In other words, your marketing employees need to know what the heck they're doing, and they must do what they do with excellence. So I want you to be very focused on the next 3 points. Number 1, marketing can make or break your business. Number 2, marketing must be executed intelligently and strategically. Number 3, it's vital to hire excellent marketers who know their stuff. In this video, we're going to cover why marketing is important. But first, I want to give a small introduction about what is marketing. Marketing isn't simply an important part of business success. It is the business. Everything else in the business depends upon the market. The term marketing covers a lot of different activities, all associated with selling your company's products and services. Advertising is the most obvious marketing activity, but so is consumer research, which better matches your product to consumer wants and needs. Product design also is a form of marketing, as it helps match your company's products and services to known customer needs. The one thing that marketing is not, in the opinion of some marketing professionals, is the sales act itself, which is the result of marketing. Marketing strategies encompass these strategic activities: determining the need for a product through consumer research and by observing and quantifying sales patterns of similar goods in the marketplace, modifying existing products or creating new products to match consumer wants and needs, determining how to best reach potential customers to make them aware of your products and to persuade them to buy them, creating marketing campaigns based on your determinations of the most effective way of reaching customers, confirming customer relationships via follow-up sales campaigns and loyalty programs. Why is marketing important for your business? Marketing is important because it allows you to share your products and services with a niche audience strategically. It helps you tell, show, and prove to people how terrific your business is and how you can help them. You can also educate people on topics related to your business, including how to solve common problems and which solutions are best. Without marketing, your business doesn't have a voice. Without a voice, you can't reach people and connect with them. And without connection and communication, you're left with not much more than a product or service, just sitting there, alone, in the dark. Here are 5 specific reasons why marketing is essential for your small business in the 2020s. Number 1, it tells people what you have to offer. The primary purpose of marketing is to get the word out about your business, who you are, and what products or services you offer. Create brand awareness, help people understand your business in depth, and keep loyal customers happy, so they tell their friends and keep coming back for more. Number 2, it helps you get to know your target audience. Marketing isn't just for your customers' eyes and ears. You can also gain valuable insight into who your target audience is. Get to a place where you deeply understand their desires, needs, and problems. Figure out how you can reach them, where they are, and connect with them in meaningful ways. Knowing your target audience will help you improve all of your marketing efforts and avoid wasting your budget by getting in front of the wrong dang people. Number 3, it helps your target audience get to know you. Share your brand story with potential customers. Make it personal. Let them get to know who you are, why your business started in the first place, and what you believe. Making your business relatable will enable people to connect emotionally with your story. People want to support businesses they believe in. So be authentic by sharing your personal, relatable story creatively. And soon you'll build a lovely following of loyal supporters and evangelists. Number 4, it also helps you build trust. Building trust with consumers, just like any relationship, takes time and effort. You need to prove that your small business is credible, ethical, moral, genuine, and socially responsible. After all, a whopping 81% of people buy from brands they trust. You don't earn the trustworthy status on a whim. You have to be intentional when forming your marketing messages and communicating with people. Consider implementing social responsibility practices. like ensuring your products are ethically sourced, or adopt a noble social cause, such as giving a percentage of your revenue to charity. People will love you for it and choose to buy from you over competitors. Number 5. It helps you grow your business. Building your reputation through effective marketing will naturally lead to growth and increased revenue for your business. If your offerings are as good as you describe them, you'll build a loyal base of customers who will spread the word for you. Did you know that new customers discover 85% of businesses through word-of-mouth marketing? It's basically the best. Bottom line, without customers, your business wouldn't survive. To attract customers, you need to understand the value of marketing. People are unlikely to come to your business or buy from you if they don't know the who, what, where, when, and why of your product. Whether you are a small, medium, or even large business, you need marketing. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please click the thumbs up and write your personal tips in the comments below. Thank you for your support. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more from us. See you in the next video.